Hello students, today I am going to teach you chapter 8, The Song of the Train. So, quickly open your English literature book and open this particular chapter on page number 67. So, let's get started. Minnie, her mother and her father are going to visit Minnie's grandparents. They are traveling by train. Minnie is 6 years old, but she has never traveled on a train before. So, everything is new to her. What happened? So, in the beginning, it is being told that Minnie is a little girl who is traveling by train with her parents, and she is going to visit her grandparents. Minnie is how many years old? She is 6 years old, and she has never traveled on a train. So she's feeling so strange. Okay? The train whistled twice, hoot hoot. There was a slight jerk and the train started. First it moved slowly, chuk chuk chuk. Soon it went faster and faster. Chuck, 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 chuck. So what happened, students? The train, it whistled twice, means two times there was a whistle. Why it whistled twice? In order to show that the train is about to depart. Okay? It means that the train is about to leave. So it whistled two times to warn everyone that see, it is about to leave. Those who want to come, they can come. Then what happened? There was a slight jerk. Slight jerk means a sudden, quick, short movement. If you have sat on train, then you must be knowing that when the train starts, we all feel a sudden jerk. Okay, a sudden jerk, a sudden movement is there in our body. And first, when the train starts, it moves slowly. After that, it moves really fast. Minnie looked out of the window. It was a sunny afternoon. A man was working in the fields. A woman was drawing water from a well. Some children were playing. They looked at the train and waved. Even the trees waved their branches. So Minnie was enjoying in the train. It was afternoon time and it was sunny. So Minnie was quite enjoying her time. She saw from the window. Okay, there are windows on the train. So like you people must look outside the window when you sit inside the train. Likewise, Minnie also looked outside the window, okay, to see what is happening outside. Then what she saw? She saw a man was working in the field. Who are the people who work in the field? Yes, they are farmers. So she saw a farmer. And she saw a woman who was drawing water. Drawing water means who was taking out water from a well. She also saw some children playing, and the children were waving at her. Waving means, when we were small and we used to see an aeroplane, we used to wave at that aeroplane and say bye bye. Like that, the children, they get excited on seeing a train, and so they started waving at the train. How they started doing some actions and they said bye bye. Okay? Even the trees waved their branches, and it seemed that even the trees are waving, even the trees are doing some movement, and it looked like as if they were waving their branches. The trees are running so fast, said Minnie. No, Minnie, laughed her mother. The trees are not running. So Minnie wondered and she said, Mother, the trees are moving very fast. They are even moving faster than the train. But students, do trees really move? Tell me. No, trees don't move. So, what happens whenever we are sitting in a train, it feels like from inside we are sitting, and if we look outside, it seems like that objects are moving and objects are moving with the speed of the train. But it is not so. Okay, it only looks like that the objects are moving, but in actual, object is not moving. It is the train which is moving. Okay, so you should know whenever you sit in a train from next time and you feel like if any object is moving, then you must know that it is not the object that are moving. It is you that is moving with the train. Okay? This you are going to read in science. Okay, when you'll get bigger, you'll come in 8th or 9th class, then you are coming to know the reason behind this. The train is moving and we are moving with it. Your tickets, please, said a man in uniform. Who is this man? Whispered Minnie. He is the ticket examiner, replied Minnie's father. He wants to see our tickets. Minnie's mother gave their tickets to the man. He looked at them. So what happened when Minnie was asking that why the trees are running so fast? So her mother told that it's not the trees, it's us. We are moving with the train and not the trees. After that, a man came and he was holding some papers. So on seeing that man, what happened? Minnie whispered. Whispered means she said in a low voice so that no one else could hear her. She said very slowly to her mother that, Mama, who is this man? You can see in the picture, in the blue turban, okay, there is a man. So Minnie was asking about this man. What Minnie's father replied? Minnie's father replied that he is the ticket examiner. He wants to see our tickets. Have you seen a TT on a train? You know, whenever you people are traveling by train, then there is a person who comes and checks the ticket. Okay, ticket means, what does ticket show? Ticket shows that you have officially bought this particular ticket to sit on this particular seat. So that is the reason you have booked your seat, this shows, and you are not traveling for free. That is the reason a TT is there, a ticket examiner is there, and he or she checks your ticket. Okay? If you have the ticket, it means that you are traveling after buying the ticket and this seat officially belongs to you. Okay. Minnie's mother gave their tickets to the man. He looked at them. "Thank you," he said, and gives the tickets back to her. So when Minnie's mother gave the tickets to the TT for checking, he checked the tickets, he said thank you, and he returned the tickets back to Minnie's mother. Okay? You can see in this picture the ticket examiner is standing and Minnie's mother, they both are sitting on the seat. They both are sitting on that seat for which they have brought the ticket. Minnie looked out of the window. It was beautiful outside. The sun was setting. It looked like a giant orange. So when again Minnie looked out of the window, by this time it was evening, okay? And the sun was setting. Setting means the sun was going. It was evening time. Since it was evening time, so the sun was going down, and the sun was setting and the moon was about to come. So it was the evening time, okay? Somewhere between evening and night. And it looked like a giant orange. Giant means very big. So giant is a similar word of very big. Instead of very big, you can use giant. So the sun at that time, it was looking like big orange, very big orange, okay, due to its color. Herds of cattle were walking across the fields. Flocks of birds were flying in the sky. Then the sun went behind a hill, so it began to grow dark. What happens in the evening time when the sun is about to set or when the sun is setting? So all the birds, they go back to their home, and all the animals, they starts moving back to their home because they know now night time is there and they have to sleep somewhere. So all the animals, they have the natural ability and they start returning to their homes. So likewise, herds of cattle means groups of farm animals like cow, buffaloes, goats. They started returning back to their homes. Also, flocks of bird means group of birds. They were flying in the sky. They were returning to their homes. And when the sun set, it looked like it went behind the hill. And after that, what happened? It began to grow dark, okay? If sun is not there, then is there any light? No, there is no light. There is only darkness. So it started to grow darker. Lights came on the train. "Dinner coupons," said a man. Minnie's mother bought 3 coupons. So what happened? When it began to grow dark, suddenly all the lights on the train were switched on. Okay, it happens, you must have seen in your homes as well. In the evening, your parents, they turn on the lights, okay? They turn on the lights which are outside your house. They turn on the lights which are inside your house because there is no natural light. Okay, so you need artificial light because you can't stay in darkness. We all need light. So that is the reason train's light were switched on. Once again a man came and he was saying dinner coupons. Dinner coupons means he was providing special pieces of paper. What are coupons? Coupons are special pieces of paper that you can use to buy something. So he was providing those special papers called coupons, which can be bought and from which food can be bought. Okay, so in moving train, Minnie's family and Minnie must be feeling hungry, so they bought 3 dinner coupons. Why 3? One for Minnie, second for Minnie's mother, and third for Minnie's father. The train was slowing down. Chuk, chuk, chuk. So, after that, the train was slowing down. Why it was slowing down? Students, you must have observed when the train is about to stop, its speed decreases. Okay? Since why its speed decreases? Because train is moving in a really very fast speed. So it cannot stop directly. Okay? Because if it will stop like that, so it can cause injuries, unwanted injuries. So that is why, in order to avoid that, first the speed of the train is slowed down, and after that the train comes to a stop. Bright light came in through the window. "It's an important station," said Minnie's father. "The train will stop here for some time." The platform was full of people. Porters were carrying boxes on their heads and shoulders. Some people were selling things. Everyone is in a hurry, Minnie thought. Now what happened? The train, it stopped to a particular station. So what happens? What Minnie's father, he said that the train will stop here for some time because it's an important station. You know what happens when you are going somewhere by a train, then the train doesn't go directly to your place only. In between, it stops to few stations. Why? Because if any station is there, then some other people can also be picked and they can go to some other places. So in all, we can say, in a nutshell, we can say that in a train, not only few people travel to go to a particular place, many people travel to go to different places. Okay? The platform was full of people. Platform is what? Platform is the place in a railway station next to the railway tracks where people get off and on a train. When you must have gone to the railway station. If you have gone, then you must have seen the platform. The place near the railway tracks, it's called the platform, from where you get on and off on a train. So what happened? The platform, that platform on which near which the train stopped, it was full of people. People were there, so many people were there, and Minnie could see porters. They were carrying boxes on their heads and shoulders. Porters in Hindi you call them kuli. Okay, so what's their duty is? Their duty is to carry the luggage means all the items that you are traveling with. Okay, and they charge for it. They ask money for it. For example, if you are having a bag and it's too heavy for you, then you can give it to the porter, and porter will carry the heavy bag for you till you find any car or taxi from which you can go. So he or she is going to charge money for it. Okay, this is the way how porters earn money. So some people also, Minnie could see that some people were selling things. Now Minnie thought, everyone is in a hurry. Hurry means everyone was moving so fast that it looked like everyone is in a hurry. Okay, they have to go somewhere, so everyone was really in a hurry. Now students, here the scene of a railway station is shown. Okay, how people are there on the railway station, how they behave, and it looks like that they are in a hurry. It doesn't look like, they are in actual hurry. And once you have gone to a railway station, you must have seen different people selling different types of items. Some are selling toys, some are selling eatable items, some are selling chole puri, some are selling like those you know those snacks for kids. So there are many people who sell different items on a railway station and inside a train also. Okay, because so many people, they travel by train on a daily basis. That is the reason. If so many people are traveling, so it can be a good business. Okay, nearby, if you are having your stall or something, then people definitely, if they are hungry, they are going to buy something. That means earning of that particular person will be there. So on a railway station, so many eatable items are there, because so many people travel by train, and the people who are selling, the sellers, they can earn money from there. Okay, so basically all the people who were selling and who were helping, they were helping in selling the food items to earn money. Okay, so this is how the outside of a train on the platform it looks like. People are traveling here and there, some people are selling, spotters are carrying the bags. Okay, the train started again and left the station behind. Then the food came in 3 packets. After she ate, Minnie asked, "Now where do I sleep?" "We have 3 berths," explained Minnie's father. "An upper berth, a middle berth, and a lower berth." Minnie's father lifted Minnie and put her in the middle berth. He then covered her with a blanket. Soon he switched off the lights and turned on the night light. The train sped through the night. Choo choo choo, choo choo choo. So what happened after the food came, and Minnie food, it came in 3 packets, and when Minnie and her family, they ate the food, then Minnie, she wondered where she will sleep. To which Minnie's father replied that, "Minnie, you can sleep in any of the berth." Berth means, berth is the place for sleeping on a train. Okay, you can ask to your parents, they will explain you how a berth looks like. If you people have traveled by train, then you must be knowing what a berth is. So there were 3 berths: the top berth, the middle berth, and the lower berth. So Minnie's father, he held Minnie, and he put her in the middle berth. He gave Minnie a blanket, he switched off the lights and turned on the night light. After that, the train again, it sped through the night. Sped means it moved with a great speed throughout the night. Okay, so it was the night time, and Minnie wanted to sleep, so Minnie slept in the middle berth, and the train moved really fast throughout the night. Minnie listened. Chuk 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 choo, choo chuk chuk choo. She thought, "It's the song of the train. It's singing for me." Soon she was fast asleep. So what happened? When Minnie was lying on her berth, she realized that the train was making sound, and it was like the train is singing for Minnie. And this is the way Minnie slept, and she went in a deep sleep. Okay, students? So this was all about Minnie, her family, and the train and the railway station. So you have to read this chapter 2 times by yourself at home. This is your work for today. Okay? Now let's see the book exercises. See the first one given on page number 76. What did Minnie see from the train window in the afternoon? Tick the correct sentences. What did Minnie see? She saw a man and some women working in the field and children waving at her. So A and B are the correct answers. Tick on A and B. After that, there is an exercise B on page number 71. So what you have to do? You have to write who said these words. You have to write the name under each sentence. Number 1, the trees are running so fast. Who said this? Minnie. Number 2, the trees are not running, was told by Minnie's mother. Number 3, your tickets please, ticket examiner. And number 4, we have 3 birds, Minnie's father. So only these 2 exercises we'll do, and rest work we are going to do in the notebook.